Hi guys, how's everyone doing? That's Sasaki here, and today we're gonna be teaching a very simple moving average strategy to use on BlackArrow. So if you're a beginner and you don't have a strategy to start with, you can use this one, which is very easy to learn. It can be very useful for day trading and also swing trading. Okay, so let's dive in and learn on the chart. Let's go. So guys, here I am with the BlackArrow platform. That's my default platform here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click in any part of my BlackArrow platform and I'm gonna go for add indicator. All right, so when I click in here, you're gonna notice that BlackArrow brings us the most used indicators in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the moving average. So I'm gonna type it, moving average. That's the first one right here, and I'm going to use this as the 21 moving average. So for this strategy, we're going to use two moving averages, okay? And they are both exponential. I'm going to teach you guys right now how to do it. So 21 moving average, I click on OK, and there it is. Now I click on add again and go with the 32 moving average, okay? And there you go. So you can see that they have the same color. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to change the 32 moving average to the color red. So you notice that I can change anything on the moving average. Once I click in here, you're gonna have this small box with all of the options that I can change the color. I can make it thicker, for example, and so on. So the 32 moving average is gonna go for red, and I'm gonna keep this one green, which is the 21 moving average. I'm just going to change them. I can use this option to make them both exponential moving average. Okay, that's important for our strategy. So they are both exponential. So that there you go. And with the 21 as well, I'm gonna click on here and choose the exponential right now. Okay, so why this is important, and you can see that moving average is here, E from exponential, because exponential moving average gives more value, more weight to the last candles. So it means your strategy, your moving average, is going to be more accurate for day trading or even swing trading sometimes. Okay, so that's why we use this option in here. So you can see that. Let's bring the chart a few moments back. You can see that sometimes, okay, the 21 moving average is going to be above the 32 moving average, which is the red one. When that happens, it means that the market is going up, so we are in a bullish trend. That's what it means. And when the opposite happens, so you can see that right here, I have this situation. It was a few days ago where the 21 moving average was actually below the 32. When that happens, it's the opposite. So the market is going down, the trend is bearish. So it would be interesting to make some, to go short, for example. And it happens all the time. You see? So it happens all the time. So market goes up, moving average, the 21 is above, market is going up all the way. You could be in a long position and so on. All right. But I know that this might be not enough for you to notice how to trade. So now comes the special and the secret of this strategy. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to click in any candle of the chart, any candle will do, with the right side of my mouse, okay, like this. I'm going to go for the option to insert paint bar. That's the secret, okay? I'm gonna click on more here. You can see that I have a window with all of the options, very similar to the indicators window, by the way. And I'm gonna use this Magilla, okay? And this one is a nickname for McGinley. It's called McGinley Dynamic Indicator, all right? I'm gonna click here to add. You have to choose the asset, okay, and key foot in this example, and add. There you go. Now it's very clear when the market is going up, when it's going down. So you can see that the candles no longer are green when the specific candle closes in a high. No, it's now about the trend. So you see, you can have a lot of green candles followed by each other because it's about the trend, okay? And now you also have the option to see the moving average. So now we've got everything that we need in order to start this strategy. So I'm gonna show you guys how to actually use it for day trading. So when the candles, for example, the candles go red, like this one, like let's circle here. So like this part was the turning point. So what happens is the candles are red, became red, okay, and the 21 moving average crossed down, so it's now below the 32 moving average, the red one. When you see that, that means that the market's going down, so you could go short on this time. If you did this here, just for example, you would have about 0.60, 0.7% profit. Okay, that was only an example. But if you go back a couple of days and try this, and by the way, I'm using the 5-minute time frame in this example, you can see that this happens all the time, pretty much every day. So here, another example. So the market is, going up and down, and there it is. There it is. So the candles became green. The 21 moving average is crossing, so it's now above the 32 moving average. Now we should be buying. You're gonna have a long position. If you did this on this specific day, you would have made, for example, around, again, 175 points in Nasdaq future, which is 0.70% profit. So you see, it's a very, very simple yet useful strategy to start your trading right now. If you're into swing trading, you can shift to the 60 or minutes or 1 hour, and you're gonna see that it can be very profitable as well. Okay, so again, that's a 1 hour chart here. Here it is. So the moving average is crossing up the red one. All right, the candles became green. You should be buying until, so how long do I stay until this position? So you're gonna stay this position, you're gonna keep this position until the candle became red. So would be like here. Okay, you can have the trading stop for that. So it would work like this. You would have made more than 1%, so 1.5%, let's say, even more if you're smart enough to get this trade, like a swing trader. So 1 day and 20 hours. So again, this works for day trading. I tested it 5-minute chart, which is great. It's my favorite, by the way. It works on the 1 hour chart. Now you might be wondering, okay, Sasaki, so which assets should I use this strategy? Usually I prefer to trade futures. So index, for example, works pretty well. But you can also try with commodities, for example, with equities, for example, and see which one works best for you. Again, as a beginner strategy, is the one that you should start trading with to get started on the platform, get started in trading. And then from this one, you can start implementing your improvements to this strategy, because it's a very simple one. All right. So guys, that was the strategy. I hope you guys started using right now on your BlackArrow platform. You can use it. Is like, there's no pain indicator here, so you can start for free today with this one on the BlackArrow platform, which has the specific color for this one. All right, I'll see you guys on next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Leave comments below if you like it, and I see you guys. All right.